Welcome to another video. Basically, what we're talking about today is auto layout. We're creating three things that with the button. We'll first create a rectangle, which is R for the shortcut. I want my button to be 240, then height of 45, and the border radius should be 5. I need my text tool, which is C for the shortcut. Then I'm just writing welcome. So I center it. I select both elements, then crop it. So now it's actually an auto layout, so it is scalable. No matter how you draw it, it always remains in the center. So no matter the screen size you are using the button for, it always remains the same size. So for the second example, I'm actually just going to create a normal regular without auto layout. So it was 45, then I think it's same height. Okay. So the text, I also put goodbye. So I take it, I align it center, then just group it instead of doing auto layout. So now see the difference. If I scale this to the middle, it goes, but if I pull this, it doesn't scale to the middle. So that is for the button. Let's take the contact list. So I'm going to create another rectangle, giving it maybe 50 as height, then 240 as width. So inside the contact on your phone, there's always an image. So O for circle, O shift, so it draws the circle proportionally. So I take it all the way to like 20. Let's make it 30. Okay, so just make this 30, then change the color so you see it. So we always have the name of the person. Let me just use my name, or let me just use a fictional name. Let me just use my first name. So this two have been on auto layout. These two are auto layout. I'm making like 68. Okay, I don't really want it to be that big. So this is the group, the first group. So remember there's auto layout in this. Then I just duplicate this. Then duplicate. So now if I have these three, I can just auto layout all of them and it aligns all of them. So let me just like it. So now the beautiful thing about it is I have three of these elements. If peradventure I need to add more lists to this, I just select the last one and I press Ctrl D. It keeps adding below whatever it is. So I can continue adding till I reach this. So we're coming all the way back to 3. So that's the bit of auto layout. So change the name of this PM, 12:40 PM, that's in the afternoon. So I do auto layout for this. I align this. Then okay. Then I put a fill. So you can see, let me change the color of this so you will get to see it very well. Then let me do like a border radius of like 5. Now remember this is a frame already. This time stamp is frame. Then I duplicate this. Remember auto layout is added to it. Auto layout is added to it, so it becomes a frame. Then I duplicate that again. Then I duplicate that again. So now I'm coming in to change the time. So like 6:12. 6:12. Then maybe like 9:40 AM. Then maybe like 5:40 PM. Okay. So now all I just need to do is just drag and select all the Shift A auto layout again. Then gives everything like that. So it's spacing. So now if the timing position is not correct, so obviously AM comes before PM. So I take the 9:40 AM, then just press left and it moves to the front. Then the next time that's closest should be 12 PM, that's afternoon, then 5 before 6. So now we have actually just created a time navigation with auto layout. Then we'll also say this is the first rule for the time, then we have another rule again. So now what I can just do is I can create this same one and just take it to like 12 4 2 10, the same everything. So I can still select all this and auto layout it. So we can keep adding auto layouts, so you keep creating next upon next. So if I click on this, I can always just move it around. So basically that's it for now. I hope you learned something new. Layout is very useful in keeping your designs proportional. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, so the algorithm knows to push this content to other creatives then get better. So till next time, bye for now.